Little Kids Heart of Learning. A great place for children. Join us.
Hi friends. Would you like to count from 1 to 15 today? Wonderful. But first, why is learning to count important? Counting numbers in mathematics play a crucial role in understanding quantity and measurement, performing arithmetic operations, and solving problems. Also, making decisions based on numerical data. We count to keep track of things, to make our lives more simple and easier to live. Now let's get started. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Friends, you were awesome. I really enjoyed counting with you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning. Until we meet again, keep being great.